Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. Today we will be solving one algebra question which is asked in Maths Olympiad as well as other competitive examination. So the question is, prove that summation of n is equal to 1 to 9999 1 over square root of n plus square root of n plus 1 whole multiplies fourth root of n plus fourth root of n plus 1 and the result is 9. You have to prove it. Let's proceed. This type of questions we solve by or simplify by multiplying with conjugate of the denominator, or we say by rationalizing the denominator. So here there are two factors in the denominator. First is conjugate of first one, square root of n plus 1 minus square root of n. I have taken the bigger one first, rearranged, is square root of n plus 1 minus square root of n. I hope we know the conjugate. That means when they are multiplied, they gives us rational number. Similarly, conjugate of fourth root of n plus 1 plus fourth root of n is fourth root of n plus 1 minus fourth root of n. So I'll multiply both in the numerator and denominator, and I'm writing nth term. Here nth term is given to 1 over square root of n plus 1 plus square root of n. Please note that I'm rearranging as the bigger first, and square fourth root of n plus 1 plus fourth root of n. So I'll multiply with the conjugate. So there will be two conjugate will be multiplied both in the numerator and denominator. First is n plus 1 square root minus square root of n, and fourth root of n plus 1 minus fourth root of n. And what about the denominator? Denominator 2 will be multiplied. So first one is square root of n plus 1 plus square root of n. I'll multiply here only. And this next one will be fourth root of n plus 1 plus fourth root of n whole into fourth root of n plus 1 minus fourth root of n. So on simplification, this will be no change in the numerator, it will be as it is, n plus 1 minus square root of n, fourth root of n plus 1 minus fourth root of n, and let us see what is the change in the denominator. After the multiplication of conjugate, a plus b multiplies a minus b, it becomes a square plus b square, so it will become n plus 1 minus n. And the second one will be, it is the fourth root. When we'll get the square, it will be square root. So it will be n plus 1 square root minus square root of n. Because n plus 1 fourth root multiply 2, it will be n plus 1 to the power half or square root. So surprisingly, you can find the denominator and numerator has one same factor. Let us simplify or cancel. So then it will be, nth term will be fourth root of n plus 1 minus fourth root of n upon, this will be again cancel, it will be 1. So what is Tn? Nth term is equal to simply this, a binomial. And after getting this, to get the sum, you need T1, T2, T3 up to T9999. So that is called telescopic sum. So T1 is equal to, when I'll put the value of 1 here, it will be 4th root of 2 minus 4th root of 1. Similarly, if I'll take T2 in place of n, I'll take 2, then it will be 3 4th root minus 2 4th root. So now I'm writing the sum. So on. So what will be T9999? It will be 4th root of 10,000 minus 4th root of 9999. So S is equal to, sum is equal to n equal to 1 to 9999. The question was 1 over square root of n plus 1 plus square root of n. Please note that I am writing in decreasing order of these values. So this will be n plus 1 plus 4th root of n, and now it has become n is equal to 12999, 4th root of n plus 1 minus 4th root of n. So putting the values, I'll get 41 is equal to 2 4th root minus 1 4th root, again plus 3 4th root minus 2 4th root. Next will be your 3 2, then it will be 4 4th root minus 3 4th root, so on. And what about last? Last will be 10,000 4th root minus 9999 4th root. What will be the last but 1? It will be 9999 4th root minus 9998 4th root. So instead of writing all the terms, if you understand, you have to write this meaningful expression. Then we'll cancel, these two will be cancelled. Then it will be cancelled. So what will remain? This will be remained, and this will remain. All others will be cancelled. So ultimately, the final result will be 10,000 4th root minus 1 4th root. So 10,000 4th root is, we know that 10 minus 1. So the answer is 9. So the sum of n is equal to 1 to 9999, Tn is equal to n plus 1 plus square root of n whole into square root of 4th root of n plus 1 plus 4th root of n is equal to 9. Isn't it interesting? So this is the math is the beauty in this way. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my channel.